Hello, I'm Ron Chenard, president of LNC Enterprises, and today we are working on a pickleball court that we started last week. We just set the post last week, and today we're going out to stretch all the fabric. And what we did already is got it all posted in the ground. We pounded all these posts except for the gate posts, were all concreted. But it's a 10-foot high fence. We already laid out all the fabric all the way around the fence, showing where our because we're using the instinct machine to stretch the fence. We want to have all the fabric laid out so we don't have to get off the fence line to load back up. We just turn the cage right down right in front of the roll and roll it back in and get started again.
Hi, I'm Brent with Delta Fence. Today we're putting in some chain link around the pickleball court in Gladstone. Right now we're actually using our Instalink, which is a chain link dispenser. Right now we're putting up 10-foot chain link all the way around the pickleball court, and this is attached to the front of a skid steer. We use our easy twist ties to, attach it to the posts and the top rail.
Right now we're actually at a termination post, and we're going to hook up. We have a gate right here, so we're going to hook up on both sides. We stretched the fence to this gate post, and now we're hooking up here, and we're going to go all the way down to the corner there and stretch it to the corner with the 10-foot high. We use hangers up on the top to help hold the fabric up, and we stretch the fence with the Instalink, and you can see how tight it is. You can't see it, but you can't pinch it together because we use the machine to do it. You can barely pinch it together. That's about the tension that you want, barely pulling in a little bit right there for the tension. And then we can come back and tie all this whole fence. So we can actually start with a tying crew back here if we want to, or continue stretching the whole fence and then put the ties up later. But as long as we got the hangers up to holding it up, we should be fine.